Hello and welcome to 5 French phrases a day with French for Nigerian students. In today's lesson, we continue with a series of finding your way around in a city. Take note, on this channel, you are going to have 5 French phrases every single day to practice, okay? So, as the lessons go on, I will improve gradually from speaking in English to French. Merci et on commence tout de suite. Let's begin. Today, we are going to see two major questions and three additional phrases. In our previous lessons, we have already seen how you can ask someone questions about where a particular location is in a town. Today, we have two more questions to look at. The first question here is, où est le supermarché le plus proche d'ici? Où est le supermarché le plus proche d'ici? The second one is, où est la banque la plus proche d'ici? Où est la banque la plus proche d'ici? Now, what you have to take note of is, if the location you are asking for is of a feminine gender, you use la plus proche d'ici. But if it's of a masculine gender, you use le plus proche d'ici. For example, we could say le restaurant le plus proche d'ici, le bureau le plus proche d'ici. But we could say la banque la plus proche d'ici, la gare la plus proche d'ici. Okay, so take note of that. Okay, so those are the two questions for today. We'll go to the third phrase of today, which is a response to these questions. So we could say, for example, le restaurant le plus proche d'ici est à côté de la gare. Le restaurant le plus proche d'ici est à côté de la gare. Okay, that could be a sample answer. Another answer could be, la banque la plus proche d'ici est à gauche du cinéma. La banque la plus proche d'ici est à gauche du cinéma. Okay, and the last phrase for today, phrase number 5, which could be our last sample answer too, could be la banque, or let's use another location, la gare la plus proche d'ici est au centre-ville. We could also say la banque la plus proche d'ici se trouve au centre-ville. Okay, au centre-ville. Take note of the pronunciation. Try to practice and I'll see you in our next lesson. We have an exercise to do now. I'll give you a short text and you have to practice it over and over again. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like our videos, like and share. So I'll give you a sample answer if you wanted to explain to someone how to get to a particular location. For example, if someone asks you, où est le supermarché le plus proche d'ici? You could simply give this sample answer. It's an example, so try to practice it. Venez, monsieur. Le supermarché le plus proche d'ici se trouve au bout de la rue. I'm going slowly so that you get it, okay? Le supermarché le plus proche d'ici se trouve au bout de la rue. Allez tout droit jusqu'au bout de la rue. Vous allez voir un restaurant à gauche. Le supermarché le plus proche d'ici se trouve en face du restaurant. I'll take it again, this time a bit regular. Venez, monsieur. Le supermarché le plus proche d'ici se trouve au bout de la rue. Allez tout droit jusqu'au bout de la rue. Vous allez voir un restaurant à gauche. En face du restaurant se trouve le supermarché le plus proche d'ici. Merci. I hope that helped you. Try to listen to it over and over and over again, and you are going to realize it's really, really beneficial. 2, 3, 4 times when you listen to it, you'll be able to practice. Merci et à très bientôt. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.